Okay. Hey, your mother's got one already set up. She knows how to do it. No.
Hey y'all, check this out.
Procedure Basic Plus only takes a few minutes, and I was back to my office the next day. I'm so happy with the results. I wish I found a single.
It's been so windy, branches have been breaking all day. I mean 30, 40 mile an hour gusts. A friend of mine's truck almost got smashed by a big old branch. It's gonna be like this all day, all night. People's garbage been blowing down the street. Because garbage day tomorrow. Just hope that doesn't break on us. Blew this chair all the way out from over here. Just blowing everything around. Pretty windy though. Make it worse tonight. Comes in big gusts. Anyway, just wanted to let you check it out. Big old northern blowing in. Winds of change. The winds of change are here. Check that out. That's how you can see the wind. You hear the trees? When you hear the trees, you can see the wind. And then it calms down. Here comes another one. Comes another gust. The whole tree's moving. Pretty cool though.
No matter how it happened, Caliber Collision makes it like it never did. Guaranteed. With a free vehicle.
Birds are having a hard time flying around. Crashing. Ah! Anyway, talk to you later. Peace.